to this one, the equation of x squared plus r plus m is equal to 0. Rx is equal to 0. And x squared plus x mx plus r is going to be equal to 0 and have equal roots. So the other thing that you should remember with this question, you should remember that you are going to make sure one side is equal to 0. You need to put it in a standard form so that you can identify A, you can identify P, you can identify C. So let's start with this one. If we start with this one is equation number 1. And then we say this one is equation number 2. So there's an A for this one. Is the value before x squared, just this here. What is this value here? 1. So we tell them with A is going to be 1. And then there is this one here. B is equal to R. And then C is going to be equal to what? To M. Because it doesn't have an X. That's for the first one. And then we tell them what the discriminant is going to be equal to B squared minus 4AC.
Yes.
And then we have
R squared.
R all squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by M. And then we're going to tell them which this one here is R squared minus 4M. This is going to be equal to 0 because they said they have real and equal roots. I want this part. Equal roots, it means which the discriminant should be equal to 0. And you can start there. You can say discriminant is equal to 0. Real and equal roots. So you can get a mark for that. So you get a mark for substitution and 1 mark for this one. Let's do the other one then. We're going to make it to be read the other one. With the other one, what is A? What is A for the other one? Here, what is A for this one? A is equal to 1. B is equal to M.
Yes.
C is equal to R.
Yes.
Discriminant is going to be equal to M squared. I think we're going to have exactly the same thing as P.
Yes.
So we're going to have open bracket M all squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by R. Discriminant should be 0. Then we have M squared minus 4R. So this is the situation that we have, guys. We have 2 equations.
Yes.
And then we have two variables. So we can decide to make R the subject or M the subject. We'll decide. I think let's make R. Let's make M.
On the blue one, I can make M the subject.
Yeah, so we're going to have 4M is going to be equal to R squared. Divide by 4. We divide by 4. It says M is going to be equal to R squared all over 4. Meaning with everywhere we see M here, okay?
Yes.
We can say 0 is going to be equal to open bracket R squared
Yes.
all over 4. All squared minus 4R. Continue with this, square this, it says which you're going to have R to the power 4. And then this one is going to give us 16 minus 4R. It's 4R here. So it looks like an equal sign. How can I proceed from here? I can then say, let's multiply everything with 16. I agree this one is 0. I multiply everything with 16. I'm going to have equals to R to the power 4 minus
64.
64.
Yes.
64R. There's an R which is common. Take out R as a common factor. You're left with R to the power of 3 minus 64.
Yes.
This is equal to 0.
Yes.
And we can factorize this.
Yes.
It's a difference of 2 cubes.
Just the root. Just the root.
Oh, yeah, this one.
Why?
Yeah, this one. And then everywhere you see M, I think there's an M here. So we just put, yeah. Okay, so we say this is going to be 0. R is equal to 0 or
R is cancelled.
R to the power of 3 minus 64 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Then we have R to the power of 3, which is 64.
Yes. When you
Cubed, yeah?
it's 4.
R is going to be equal to 4. So R is equal to 0, R is equal to 4.
But you have to solve for M or else.
Yeah, but the question says which we have rational. They said what? The M and values, what
They should be greater than 0, both of them.
or they should be greater than 0. So we can't accept 0.
Yes.
So I'm going
Not
to
possible.
take 4. If we take 4, now we had M
M squared all over 4.
We said m is equaling to r squared all over 4.
Yes.
Then we can say m is going to be equaling to
16 all over 4.
16 all over 4, which is also 4.
Yes.
Oh,
Miss D,
Yes.
if I decided to substitute they both 0 left for